Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make PDF open in Chrome by default. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your start menu over here, left click on it, and look for apps and features, all right? Now, this method will be very similar or the same for Windows 10 or 11. Go to default apps, all right? And over here, you will see a bunch of applications. For Windows 11, there will be a search bar over here. Just type .pdf to look for the file you would like to set Chrome to open with by default. For Windows 10, just click over here, choose default apps by file name. Now for Windows 11, it will be much more easier since you could just use the search bar. For Windows 10 users, you just need to scroll down to the P section, PDF. Let me see. Okay, we have in here PDF. As you can see, it's already set by default, my Chrome browser. If you want to change this, you can just simply click on it and choose any other PDF opener for this, all right? Now, once you have successfully set this up, you can now close everything and then go to your file manager or your C drive, and you will see there will be a Google Chrome browser on them. So over here, as you can see, Chrome HTML document. If I'm going to click on it, it will automatically open on Chrome. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.